Imagine stepping into a world most people never see, a place where something wild and ancient is transformed into luxury pieces worth thousands, where every sound echoes like a secret waiting to be uncovered, and where the journey from raw snakeskin to a polished designer jacket feels almost unreal. Right now, you are standing at the entrance of a snake leather factory, and what you are about to watch will change the way you see fashion forever. Today, we go behind the closed doors of a process hidden from the public, and nothing about it is ordinary. Stay with me, because what happens in the next few minutes will shock you in the best possible way. Before we go deeper, here is the promise. You are about to see exactly how snakeskin becomes luxury apparel worn by celebrities and collectors worldwide. You will learn the truth behind the craftsmanship, the handling of dangerous species, the chemical magic that preserves the leather, and the fine work that brings every jacket to life. And by the end, you will understand why these pieces cost so much and why the process requires skill, precision, and science. But wait, here is the twist. Not every skin that enters this factory becomes what you think. Some are rejected for reasons so surprising that even experts still argue about it. Others go through a transformation that seems impossible, turning something rough and reptilian into buttery soft material used in high fashion. And there is one step in the production line that most factories refuse to talk about publicly. You will see it today. So keep watching, because we are just getting started and the real transformation is about to unfold. The journey begins in a temperature-controlled receiving room, where fresh snake skins arrive rolled and salted to prevent decay. Workers carefully unroll each one, inspecting scales for natural patterns, scars, or imperfections. No two skins are ever identical, and this uniqueness is what makes the final product so valuable. The skin is then cleaned, stretched, and measured, and here is where things get interesting. The patterns that look natural to you are sometimes enhanced not by paint, but by a special solution that reacts to the natural keratin in the scales. It brings out hidden colors that the eye cannot normally see. This is one of the secrets of luxury tanneries. Now the skin is ready for tanning, the scientific step that makes it durable, flexible, and long-lasting. The workers soak the hides in large rotating drums filled with natural oils, eco-friendly chemicals, and dyes. The sound of the tumbling skins is rhythmic, almost hypnotic, and the color begins to shift from pale beige to deep amber or emerald green, depending on the design order. But here is where the mystery happens. Some skins toughen instead of softening. Others take on unpredictable shades. What makes this occur, and how do artisans fix it? You will see the surprising solution in the next section. Before we reveal that, a new layer of curiosity enters. There's a hidden room in the factory, a finishing studio where only certified craftsmen are allowed. Inside, the leather is hand-massaged, polished, ironed, and graded for luxury houses. But the most incredible part, the one that separates high-end brands from low-end replicas, happens in this studio. And what they do to the leather here seems like pure magic. You will not believe what is coming next. Welcome to the finishing studio, the heart of the transformation. Here, the previously unpredictable skins are revived using heat, pressure, and a technique called dry glazing, where a glass rod is rubbed across the scales to create a natural shine without coating them in artificial gloss. This method brings out a deep three-dimensional look, making the scales catch light as if the snake were still alive. If a skin turns stiff or overly dark during tanning, specialists massage it with natural conditioners and reheat it in small cycles until it regains softness. This process takes hours, sometimes days, and this patience is one reason luxury snake jackets cost as much as a small car. Then comes the cutting stage. Patterns are traced onto each skin to maximize beauty and minimize waste. Every slice counts. Because each snake has a unique pattern, the artisan must match scales symmetrically for jackets, ensuring the front panels mirror each other. This symmetry is extremely hard to achieve and instantly distinguishes authentic craftsmanship from cheap imitation. But here is the final curiosity loop that keeps the adventure going. Before the jacket is assembled, every piece passes through a microscopic inspection. Yes, microscopic. Tiny fabric-like flaws invisible to the human eye can weaken a seam months later. If even one tiny defect is found, the piece is rejected and replaced. Watching this level of precision feels like watching surgery. And now the full payoff. After stitching, lining, and pressing, the result is breathtaking. A jacket that began as a raw reptile skin in a distant region and is now transformed into a soft, luxurious, museum-worthy garment. Then comes the final stage, a secret protective treatment used only by top-tier artisans, a blend of natural oils and stabilizing compounds that seal the scales, enrich the leather, and lock in its deep, signature scent. Once applied, the jacket is polished by hand, tested for flexibility, and placed on a form to rest until the finish settles perfectly. Only then is it ready to leave the studio, a flawless piece of craftsmanship born from science, patience, and extraordinary skill.